वो ऐप याद है जिसमें तुम रूम में घुस के लड़कियों को पटाते थे?
A few years ago, there was a social media app called Clubhouse which started getting attention.
The idea was simple and new at that time. Instead of photos or videos, people could join live audio rooms to listen to conversations. So it was almost like a live podcast where you could participate. The app was first launched. It was intentionally limited. You needed an invitation to join. It was only available on iPhone. Because of these restrictions, the early users were highly invested, like founders, creators, people who genuinely enjoyed long-form conversations. The rooms were super active. The conversations had depth and it actually felt purposeful. And as the app started trending and it gained media attention, the company decided it was time to scale quickly. So the invite-only system was removed. App was launched on Android and anybody could join without any friction. So naturally the growth numbers looked great on the surface, but the audience's nature changed. Many of these users were curious but not committed. They would casually join the rooms but would leave in no time. They were not interested in holding conversations, building communities. So the engagement naturally dropped. The users who initially gave the platform its value, they also left. So the company had invested time, resources, energy, efforts, everything into attracting audience which was not theirs in the first place. Try to optimize for visibility instead of value, and that is where the saying fits in perfectly. Begani Shadi mein Abdullah Divana being overly invested in a celebration that was never truly yours. So the marketing lesson is simple. The growth does not come from appealing to everybody. So sustainable growth comes from understanding who really your consumer is and catering to them.